Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mamta Mehta and today I am going to be reviewing a brand for y'all, a soap brand for y'all. So today I am going to be talking with y'all about this brand called as Ishti. So Ishti was very kind enough. They have sent me two of their soaps to try out and share my reviews with y'all. So this is the brand Ishti. This is run by a person called as Sneha Jha. So firstly I wanted to give you all a brief about this brand. This brand is called as Ishti and it is run by Sneha Jha. Sneha was from an IT field but she left a job because she wanted to pursue her passion. So good luck Sneha for this. Secondly, this brand is homegrown, it is natural, it is herbal. It makes soaps and dhoop. So what is the uniqueness about this product? I mean, what is unique about this brand? So the first most unique thing about this brand is that they customize soap as per the client's zodiac sign and their skin type. Like I have never ever come across any brand which makes the products as per the client's zodiac sign. So this is a huge uniqueness about this brand. Secondly, they use all the natural ingredients. They do not use any artificial or synthetic fragrance or coloring agents in their products, which is again a big huge thumbs up from my side. Also, they do not use a lot of huge amount of coconut oil in their soap, which is very commonly used in other brands. They use avocado oil or maybe almond oil or maybe olive oil in their products because coconut oil tends to dry up your skin. So again, a thumbs up from my side. One more uniqueness about this product is they use camel and sheep milk and goat milk in their products. That's why you can see this is the pamphlet which I received, and just look at the detailing which they have given in the pamphlet. The sheep and the colors, they look so aesthetic. Also, they have mentioned all the important stuff over here behind the pamphlet, which you all can go and read it out. So this is the box which I received, and these are two of the soaps which I received in the box. They were very well packed in this paper quilling, so there was no damage at all during the transit. So talking about the soap, the two soaps which I have received is, first one is the charcoal goat milk. So this is how the packaging looks like. It is so premium quality, and all the ingredients and the weight and all the important details are mentioned behind the soap. So the charcoal goat milk soap, it has raw goat milk, olive oil, almond oil, and palm oil and sesame oil, shea butter, cocoa butter. The most important thing which I liked is that they have mentioned behind that it is suitable from normal to oily skin type. So this is a very huge and a plus point which has to be mentioned behind every product, so the client knows that whether this suits their skin or not. It is also mentioned that it is not recommended for sensitive skin. So a big thumbs up from my side for all these minimum detailings which are mentioned behind the product. So this was the first soap which I received. It is the charcoal goat milk. The second soap which I received is Strong Arm. I really like the name of the product. This is how it looks like, and these are all the details which is mentioned behind. This product, Strong Arm, it consists of yang oil, castor oil, palm oil, coconut oil, sheep milk, lemongrass essential oils, and all good ingredients over here. And this soap is very good for dry to normal skin. Both the soaps are 100 grams each, and they smell incredible. I mean, you can definitely smell a lot of essential oils from these. I will definitely try this and share my review with y'all. This is their brand logo. I will leave their Instagram link below, so you can go and check it out. And these are the details to contact them. You can just take a screenshot and contact Sneha for all your orders. So Sneha was so kind enough. She also sent me these dhoop. So basically dhoop are just being used to give a lot of aroma and positivity in your room. So this is how it looks like, and they smell so good. I can smell a lot of, again, essential oils and like the natural dhoop fragrance in this. I will light this up and I will share my review on how I like the products. Also, I would like to open up the packaging of the soap and show you all exactly how it looks like. So this is how the charcoal goat milk soap looks like. You can see the black boxes all over, which is charcoal, and this also has a goat engraved on the soap, which also says that it has goat milk in it. They have engraved their name, the brand name also, which is a plus point. I really like these small detailings which is given all over. The soap straight up smells a lot of essential oils and charcoal in it. I really like the smell of the product, and this is how the first soap looks like. So this is how the strong arm soap looks like. Again, the detailing of the brand given over here, and there is a sheep drawn at the back side of the soap, which says that it has sheep milk in it. Again, it smells a lot of essential oils and shea butter. So this is how both the soaps look like, and they have this detailing also given at the back side of the product. I really like the quality of the soap. I will definitely try out and give you my genuine reviews of how I like the product, but this is how it looks like. So here I am back again. It's been, I think, 3 days, and I'll be sharing my genuine reviews with y'all about the soaps. So basically, I'm so sorry that the soaps are kept in such a condition, but I am been using them from past 3 days. That's why I had to, that's why they are like this. So you can see the condition of the soap. It's been 3 days. I and my family are using these soaps. This is just recently used by me, so that's why it is a little wet, but you can just see it's been 3 days we have used, and they have not shrink even like a tad bit, which is a huge thing for a soap, because I have used some soaps, I mean, only in a day or two they just shrink and they become very small in size. So you can see, I mean, it's just been like 3 or 4 days I am using these soaps, and they are still intact and in good shape. Talking about my personal review with this soap, I really liked the charcoal variant. It is incredible. I mean, one thing what I can say is I can definitely switch my shower gel to a soap back again. It's been ages I have not used a soap, and I am only inclined to shower gels and body washes, but I was so impressed by this charcoal goat milk soap. It is so good. I mean, you get like, even by one usage I felt a difference. My skin feels a huge difference. The smell of the soap, it lasts for few hours. I will not say that it will last for a whole day or a half day, but yes, it definitely lasts for a few hours, and it is a good soap. It cleans your body, it cleans it gives you a nice fragrance, and I really liked it. So a lot of you must be thinking that what is the price range of these soap. So the charcoal soap prices at 220 rupees, and the other strong arm soap is for 283. Yes, these are a little pricier than your normal soaps, but it will last you for a very long time. It gives you a good clean wash. They use ingredients which are of premium quality. That's why the price range is a little higher than your normal soaps. So according to me, I feel you can definitely try out their products once in a while. I mean, I know they are a little bit pricier on your pocket, but they give you some really premium quality product. I feel, once in a while we all should pamper ourselves and try out new things. So I feel you can invest once and try out their product, and you can see the difference. So from my side, Ishti, you get a huge thumbs up. I really like your products, and I would highly recommend you people to also try it out. I will leave all their details in the description. You can go ahead and check it out. If you all do any purchases after seeing this video, I would highly recommend you all to use my name, and it will make a huge difference, at least to me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you know the drill. Please do like, share, subscribe, and comment down below and let me know what all videos you all want me to do next. I would be really happy to do so. So till then, take care. Bye. Stay safe. Stay positive.